Removing a card from your Trading212 account can be done quickly and easily. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Open the Trading212 app. Launch the Trading212 app on your device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by a gear icon or your profile picture. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Cards. Click on this option to view the cards linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the card to remove. Find the card you wish to remove from your account. There should be an option next to it to edit or remove the card. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the option to remove the card, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the removal. Once you've completed these steps, the card will be successfully removed from your Trading212 account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Trading212's customer support for assistance.